Hey guys, it's me Nisha, and I'm coming to you with a quick hair explanation or tutorial. I'm not sure what to call it. But for those of you who have really curly hair like myself, I'm in the 4A category. I would say A and B type of category. As you can see, I just co-washed my hair and just got through moisturizing it. And this is what my curls look like. I have an S type of curl, and then it kind of spirals at the end. So the method that keeps my hair the most moisturized is the lock method, and I'm going to explain to you what that is. I just did it to my hair. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't, so I have to do that another time because it's already done to my hair and I don't want to put any more product in it if I don't need it. So I'm just going to explain it to you, and the next time I will show you what it is. So L stands for liquid or leave-in. So for that, I use my liquid leave-in conditioner. You can use anything that you like. Some people use water, some people use a leave-in spray, but L is the liquid, so you would apply your liquid, and I spray it all over my hair and make sure my hair is not wet but damp. And you can do this after a co-wash, after a wash, just when your hair is dry, anytime. So L is for liquid, you put your liquid in, and then O is for oil, and you can use your favorite oil, olive oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil. I use one of those that I just mentioned. Today I use grapeseed oil. And you take that oil, and after you do the liquid, you apply the oil. And then C is for cream. And for cream, I either use my Cantu curling cream, or you can use some shea butter that you mix yourself. Or, oops, today I used the shea butter for natural hair moisturizing curl activator cream. You want something that has like a creamy thick consistency, and once you put that on your hair is good to go, and it can stay moisturized for a good 2 or 3 days. And the kinkier your hair is, the harder it is for it to stay moisturized. So I found that this method works the best for my hair, the layering of the products. My hair doesn't feel weighed down, it doesn't feel sticky or anything like that. I use this method when I'm doing a twist out, braid out. I do this when I'm doing a wash and go. If I was doing a wash and go, what I would do after this method is apply my gel, and that's it. But it's really fast. I did it to my whole head. Right now my head, it is moisturized. My hair shrinks up a lot. I'll show you guys how much it shrinks up. This is how it is, but if I were to take it, it comes down there, and here you can see where this is, and this comes down here. It comes like right under my port. So my hair is doing pretty good as far as length. It just shrinks up a whole lot, but that's it. I'm getting into other things, but that's it. I just wanted to explain what the lock method is for people who have really dry hair, or who has dry hair in the winter time or any time of the year. That's the method that works best for me, and I am in the type 4, I believe. But that's it, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.